Once upon a time, in a small village surrounded by lush green hills, lived a kind-hearted man named Raja. He was a simple villager who always helped those in need. One day, Raja met a beautiful woman named Maya. She was charming and seemed very sweet. Maya soon became Raja's wife, and they lived happily together in their small, cozy home. However, as time went by, strange things started happening. Maya began to change. She became rude and started making demands. She no longer helped around the house, nor did she show the kindness Raja had once seen in her. The villagers noticed the change and began to whisper that something was not quite right. One evening, an old woman from the village came to Raja and whispered, "Raja, I know something about Maya. She is not who she seems to be. There is a secret you must uncover." Raja, confused but curious, decided to investigate. The old woman gave him a magical mirror and said, "This mirror will show you the truth." That night, when Maya was asleep, Raja held up the mirror to her face. To his shock, the reflection showed not his wife, but a wicked sorceress. Raja realized that the woman he had married was an impostor, a false wife, placed under an enchantment by an evil witch. The next day, Raja confronted Maya with the mirror. The false wife, seeing her reflection, shrieked in anger. "How did you discover my secret?" she screamed, and in a flash of light, she disappeared, leaving behind a trail of smoke. The enchantment was broken. Raja was heartbroken, but relieved. He learned that the real Maya was imprisoned in a far-off kingdom by the wicked sorceress. With the help of the old woman and the magical mirror, Raja journeyed to the enchanted kingdom. He faced many challenges along the way, but his determination and courage led him to rescue the real Maya. When Raja finally found her, Maya was as kind and loving as he had always known her to be. They returned to their village, and the real Maya, free from the sorceress's spell, became a beloved member of the community once more. From that day on, Raja and Maya lived happily, and the villagers celebrated their love and kindness, knowing that truth and goodness always win in the end. Moral of the story: the truth will always shine through, and kindness will always prevail over deceit.